kids. Today we will learn 3 table. Are you ready? Then let's sing with me. 3 ones are 3. Say again. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Say again. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Say again. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Say again. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Say again. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. Say again. 3 sixes are 18. 3